Hi, my name is Manal Omayer. I am an illustrator and 2D animator. I mostly create content for children, and I've been teaching at ADMI for the past 3 years. So today I'll be showing you guys how I create a character from just basic shape all the way to completion. So when I first start to create a character, I have a simple character brief. This is where I write down what main features the character is supposed to have. So in this instance, I have a monkey, and I want him to be looking muscular, and I want him to hold onto a certain kind of weapon. After having that, I simplified my characters into very basic shapes. So I have it into I use a lasso tool, and then I create the basic shapes for the outline of what the monkey would look like. And then after that, I will start to add in the outlines, because that's gonna come in later. Now that we've locked down the shape, the details will come in after that. So right now, that is what I'm doing. I'm adding in very basic colors. I think about simplification all the time. So even when I'm creating characters, I think about how I can simplify not only the shapes, but the colors that I'm gonna use. So after all of that, that's when I now get into adding in the shadows and the highlights and all the extra details. And that's how you create a character.